Today's topic for discussion is economic importance of lichens. Lichens thalli, these are formed by the combination of algae and fungus together. Both these two organisms, algae and fungi, associated together and they formed a new thallus that is called lichen. And the relation between these two plants, it is beneficial to each other. It is a symbiotic relationship. And let us see the economic importance of lichens. The first use, that is beneficial activity of lichen or use of the lichen, that is for the formation of soil. Lichens are the first organisms which grow on the rocky surfaces where other plants do not grow. This is important. The lichen thalli retain water. They secrete organic acids which dissolve minerals and gradually disintegrate the rock. In this way, soil is formed. They are very important. Next use, that is lichens as food. The lichens have been used as animal feed and food for human consumption. There are several genera of the lichen which we use as spices in our kitchen. The cladonia, it is used as cattle feed in Arctic regions, and Citraria, one more lichen which is edible and which is used as spices. The spices of Parmelia is used as a food in South India. Next use of the lichens, it is preparation of dye. Different types of different color dyes are prepared from the lichens. And Rossella, it is one of the lichen which yield litmus. Litmus, it is a blue dye obtained from Rossella and it is used to dye the woolen and silk fabrics. And some other lichens which yield dyes are Lecanora, Parmelia, Phaeacia, Ramalina, Usnea. These are the different lichens which yield different types of dye. Okay. And next use of the lichen, it is alcohol and other chemicals are prepared from the lichens. Lichens were formerly used for the production of ethyl alcohol. Example, cladonia is used for the production of ethyl alcohol is prepared from this, and some species of Parmelia, Evernia and Ramalina yield gum, which is again useful. Many crustaceous lichens contain oxalic acid. It is also prepared from lichens. And next, preparation of medicine from lichen. Some lichens belonging to Cladoneaceae family, Parmeliaceae family and Usneaceae family, these are the families of lichen groups that yield the substances which are active against gram-positive bacteria. Pelligera, it is a lichen which is used for hydrophobia. Cladonia species of lichen, it is used in whooping cough. Okay. And there are several types of lichens which are used as a medicine. Next use of lichens, that is preparation of different types of antibiotics. Different types of antibiotics are also prepared from the lichens. And another use of lichen is that is spices. It is very commonly we use. In Hindi we call it as patthar ka phool. That is a lichen. We are using as a spice in our kitchen. Okay. And there are several different types of lichens which are used as perfume. Perfumes are also prepared from lichen because some lichens they are used in perfumery industry are Erwinia, Lobaria, etc. These lichens are used to prepare the perfumes at commercial basis. Okay. And use of lichens in tanning purpose. The chemicals obtained from Lobaria pulmonaria and Citraria islandica, these are used in tanning leather. In leather industry, these lichens are used for tanning purpose. Okay. All these are the beneficial aspects of lichen, that is economic importance of lichen. Next. Thank you very much. Save trees, save earth.